Welcome back everyone. Workbook Solutions, Macbeth, Act 5, Scene 4, a brief scene. In today's session, I'm going to discuss one long answer question, and if you go through this, it's enough. Comment on Malcolm's leadership in Act 5, Scene 4 of Macbeth. In Act 5, Scene 4 of Macbeth, Malcolm's leadership is evident as he prepares for battle against Macbeth's forces. He demonstrates critical comment. He demonstrates strategic thinking, courage and determination, collaborative leadership, which is grounded in moral authority as he seeks to restore justice and order to Scotland. Learn this ditto by heart and use this if you need it. Demonstrates his strategic thinking, his courage and determination. Just try to contrast Malcolm's condition with that of Macbeth's position and condition. They are strikingly different at this point of time. Collaborative leadership. Macbeth's subjects and his nobles are rebelling against him. But here we have the collaborative leadership of Malcolm. And it is grounded in moral authority. Why? Because he seeks to restore justice and order to Scotland. He hopes that they are approaching the days that Chambers will be safe. They shall be able to sleep in peace and safety. Macbeth's words, we doubt it nothing. We are absolutely sure about that. Show the trust of the generals in Malcolm. Lack of trust in Macbeth and trust, having trust in faith in Malcolm. Malcolm works with his generals, Macduff, Old Seward, Menteith, Caithness, Angus, to develop a battle plan. He suggests that every soldier should hew a branch of the wood of Burnham and carry it before him. In this way, they will conceal the exact size, strategic thinking. They will conceal the exact size of their army and mislead enemy spies about them. This shows his intelligence, cool determination. The soldiers obey him unanimously. Altogether, they say, "It shall be done." The hatred of Macbeth's subjects is contrasted with the loyalty of Malcolm's. The leadership is different. He analyzes Macbeth's conditions appropriately. Macbeth does not move out of Dunsinane. It is his main hope, as both great and small people who have had an opportunity have revolted against him, and those still in his service are there under compulsion, are forced to do so. In this scene, Malcolm's leadership sets the stage for the final confrontation with Macbeth. Malcolm's army is also more organized than Macbeth's. Malcolm encourages them to fight for their country and their freedom. This is the leadership of Malcolm, an important concept. So, we'll come back soon with another session. It's going to be Macbeth, Act 5, Scene 5, Workbook Solutions. Stay connected.